1-8.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Utah beginning at 2:44 p.m. and ending at 7:44 p.m. The suspect is identified as Jacqueline Gardner. She is 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing 165 pounds. She has blonde hair and blue eyes. The child abduction victim is identified by police as Valeria Laura Turner. She is an infant. She has blonde hair and brown eyes. She is 21 inches tall and weighs about 7 pounds. The abduction happened at Price. The suspect was driving a red 1999 Volkswagen Jetta GLS with license plate 2G4WZ. If you have any information, please call the police at 435-636-3190 or simply dial 911.